We'll guide you through how to make story highlights on Instagram. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.
Highlights are a great way of sharing your Instagram stories on your profile. So to go and add them, all you need to do is just come below the edit profile and share profile button, and you'll go and see the option for new. So I've already got some highlights here, but you'll probably just have the new button if you haven't got any there yet. Click there. And what you can do is browse through the stories you've gone and posted on Instagram and choose which you want to go and add into a new highlight. For example here, I want to select these two, so just select them in the top right of each story and then click on next in the top right of the page. So I'll go and just name this GuideRealm. And what you can then do is go and edit the cover. So click edit cover, then you can go and choose one of the stories, or you can choose a completely different one from your camera roll. Once you've finished, you can then click on done in the top right, and you can go and click on add, just like so. It'll then go and load, and there it is. If you've just posted a story and it isn't appearing here, then what you need to do is just press cancel and go and view the story by clicking on your profile picture, and then go to the bottom right and click on more. And then what you can do is click on highlight, and you can go and create a new one or add it to an existing one. If you decide you want to add more stories to the highlight, then all you need to do is go and hold your finger on it like so, and go and click on edit highlight. And then what you can do is go and click on stories just here, and you can see your stories again, and you can then go and select another one, for example, like that there, and you can then press done in the top right, and it will then be added.